and Dre have been together for 2 years.
I think Dre is the one for me.
And she's ready to take their relationship to the next level.
He's someone that I would love to spend the rest of my life.
EAS has issued a thank you for 100 subscribers for the following counties or areas. United States, at 8:29 a.m. on June 1st, 2022, effective until 9:45 a.m. Message from EAS. The following message is from EAS and it goes as follows. I honestly cannot believe that I have reached 100 subscribers on my channel over the course of only 2 months. I would like to thank everyone who has taken the time to watch my EAS scenarios and mocks. You all are awesome. I never thought in my entire life that I would reach a milestone like this, but here I am congratulating myself for a major YouTube achievement. I thank you all, and I hope to get this channel to 200 subs by the end of September.